How to fix Instagram action block. Hey guys, welcome back to 1 Million Ideas YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix Instagram action block. So guys, if you are facing difficult with your Instagram account, you are not satisfying by your Instagram account, you are facing difficult for the following button, for the liking button, for the commenting button, or anything you are finding difficult and it is taking an action block on your Instagram, then what you have to do is I will show you in this video. So please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. So let's get started. So guys, before going to the video, I will show you something. I will share you something with my experience. So the main problem is you when you follow the individual person more and more. If you follow instantly and continuously more and more, then Instagram thinks that you are a captcha and you are a robot. So they just block your action from Instagram. And then guys, if you are commenting more and more, if you are doing such things more and more continuously, then Instagram thinks you are a captcha or a robot. So the Instagram just block your action from your account. So guys, I will show you. If I comment something, wait, I will change my Instagram. So guys, if you are facing this problem, the main problem behind this is, you know, that if you are using a third party application for the for the Instagram, and then if you are commenting more than 10-20 comment at once in one picture, then the Instagram will obviously block your action. So guys, see here, I will show you. So guys, I will show you what you have to do. I will just search my friend's account. So let me search this account, and then I will just where is it? I will just comment a random comment here. So I will show you now what is the difficulty here. You just see what will happen. You just see you can comment so many comment here. So here you can see you're temporarily blocked. So if you comment more than 2 3 4 5 6 8 comments, then the Instagram will take action over you. So if you follow more than 5 people or more than 8 people at once, then Instagram will obviously block you. And if you use the third party application for the Instagram, then Instagram is going to block your action from your account. And then I will show you how to fix it, so no need to worry for that. So guys, to fix the problem, I will show you what to do. So now you are you can see something on my screen. So what you have to do is just take the screenshot of this. So after taking the screenshot, go back. Okay, and go back. So now go back. Okay, now what you have to do is you have to go to your profile icon on the below of your screen. Go here and then click on the 3 days. After clicking the 3 days, you have to click on the gear icon, settings icon, you can see on the below of your screen. So just click here, and then what you have to do is you can see here an option as help option. So just click on help option, and then so now guys, what you have to do is you have to click on the option as privacy and security help. So if you click, your interface will be like this. So it will be long process, so I will show you what to do. Click on a report a problem here. So after clicking on a report a problem, you have to click on report a problem again, and your interface of your Instagram reporting problem will be like this. So now you have to write something here, what went wrong. So what you have to write is I will show you. So now you have to write anything randomly, like you are facing a difficult on your Instagram account, and your accent has been blocked from Instagram. So you can write my Instagram has TMP temporary block and I can comment or like or share or follow. So you can write anything like this. Please so after after you raise your complaint here, what you have to do is I will show you now. So now what you have to do is you can see here a plus box icon on the below of your text. So just click on the plus icon here, and then you can select your screenshot from your gallery, add from gallery, click to add from gallery, and then just take this option. Now you have to submit this. You can see on the top right of your screen. So just submit your problem here, and then turn on check. So just click on turn on check, and then wait for a while, and then your problem will be solved within uh 10 to 24 hours. So this is 100% sure that your problem will be solved in 10 to 24 hours. And if you like the video and if it is helpful for you, please come back to my channel and hit the subscribe button, and then I will um, provide you the best videos, the good videos, the quality videos, and the videos will helpful for you. Thanks for watching.